Assalamu alaikum and welcome. So I am here with another AI tool that is Connected Papers. So just like Research Rabbit, this is also a wonderful tool, very handy tool, and it is free. All you need is to sign up the way you do for any Gmail account. So once you're done signing up, you can have this information in front of you. What you need to do is you need to either paste DOI, that is Digital Object Identifier, or paper URL, paper title, anything that you have, even the keywords. So I am putting in the keywords that is my topic, for example, hate speech and political discourse. So I'll be searching it and it opens up my paper, a corpus analysis of hate speech in Pakistani political discourse on Twitter. So what things I can do is I can connect the papers. I can use semantic scholars. I'll tell you about this as well. I can go to the page where it is published. I can go to Google Scholar to see the citations. Let's build up the graph. So we click here, connected papers. So now this is in front of you, the same kind of view that we have in Research Rabbit. So it is a bit different from that, but on the whole, the working is same. On the left-hand side, you can see these all papers are somewhat connected. They have somewhat the same information or the same methodology that I use in my paper. So if you click here, so this is me. So we can see here a corpus analysis of hate speech in Pakistani political discourse on Twitter, and this is the abstract that anyone can read, copy, and you can save the browser from here, and you can see the similar researches if you click here. So this line says that this is right-wing German hate speech on Twitter, and this is also a very similar research on this based on Twitter. All these researches are somehow linked with each other. So all these researches are somehow on speech acts or the use of language, the use of hate. So in this way, you have a cloud that you can build up. If you go to the option more, you can download the information in BIP file. You can open that with like a notepad. So just let me tell you. So this is downloaded, and if I open it for you, uh, it is opened in, I guess, as a tarot or some other thing, but let me open it with Notepad. So I'm opening it in Notepad. You can see this. This gives me access to all the relevant articles and the information. I can easily read the abstracts from here. So all this is the abstract of the paper. This is the information about authors, me and my esteemed supervisor, Dr. Aruj Fatma Alvi. She keeps teaching me all these things and I keep teaching them to you. So if we go to Semantic Scholar, so Semantic Scholar is also a very handy tool. It will give you some view like this. So you can, again, you can see the related papers. You can see 16 references of this paper. And this gives you an idea about the tables that are used in my research. So for example, this is a table. I have clicked it and you can see the tables used in any research that you are searching. For example, this is another table I am showing it to you. So rather than going to paper one by one and looking at the tables, exploring them, you can directly see from here. So this tells you the methodology right from the beginning of it till the end. So all these things are very much clear. There are so many other things you can do with this. Like, for example, if I click here, these are also linked papers. You can also find the date range that, yes, okay, you need relevancy of these keywords, but you want the data from last 10 years. So it will give you the data of last 10 years. So you can minimize it to last 5 years. If there is some research in 2024, you can even open that. These are all the filters. You can sort by the relevance, most influenced paper, citation count, sort by regency, authors, these like all these authors who have written the similar papers, and all those who have PDF. So this also gives you an access to the PDF things. Like you can download all the PDF of these papers, which are filtered here. So these two tools are also very good in your learning. They're going to help you a great deal. So I hope you got some idea about these two tools. So do subscribe the channel and share with your loved ones. Thank you very much.